Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Zaid Elyasa, and today I want to make a video presentation entitled Islamic Boarding School or Pondok Pesantren for Building Young Generation Character in Indonesia. Okay, without any longer, let's go next. So, the pondok words from Arabics means hotel or place to stay or boarding school. An Islamic boarding school or pesantren established for the first time by Sheikh Maulana Malik Ibrahim or Sunan Ampel. At the first time, Sunan Ampel did not call it pesantren, but still it is the place or the first newborn of Islamic educational place. The existence of boarding school in Indonesia and its development and coaching was very influential to the surrounding community, especially in the term of education. Until now, there are thousands of Islamic boarding school in Indonesia. Okay, next. So, in this globalization era, many parents are worried about their children's future, especially when they get into junior high school, that their temperament is still labil. In fact, many of them are involved in fighting drug and free sex. Next. So, this is the basic concept of Islamic boarding school in Indonesia. There are two basic concept of Islamic boarding school in Indonesia. The first one is traditional Islamic boarding school, or we can call it pesantren Salafi. Pesantren Salafi is school that keep its original form by only teaching the books written by Kiai or its Kitab Kuning at the 15th century using Arabic, and it teach by using the halakoh teaching pattern. So what is halakoh? In Islamic terms, halakoh is a religious meeting or studying where the kiai are read and explain about the kitab kuning or the books, and then the audience is only listening and maybe some of them are writing notes. And then the second one is modern Islamic boarding school, or we usually call it pesantren khalafiyah. So pesantren khalafiyah is a little bit different with modern. I mean a little bit different with salafiyah. So pesantren khalafiyah is school which try to fully implement the traditional boarding school system and combine it with modern school system. Just like modern school system is like when you school and using English all day long, and when you don't use English you get punished or something like that. Okay, next. There are so many benefits of Islamic boarding school. In this presentation I only write a few of them. So the first one is being independent. So independent here have meaning to do anything by yourself, like washing your clothes and cleaning your room or cleaning your uh, anything, and then studying and etc. So the second one is learn to discipline. Being disciplined in pondok is when you wake up in the morning, pray in time, and do anything just like what kiai or maybe head of pondok said to you. Next is building Islamic character. Of course, in pondok pesantren we build our Islamic character because the environment and the habit of there is so good to make Islamic character. And the next is avoid juvenile delinquency. So yeah, as I said, because there is a good environment in Islamic boarding school, so we can avoid the juvenile delinquency, just like drugs, free sex, and any other bad thing. And then focus on Islamic study. Focus on Islamic study. So focus in Islamic study is to make you have a lot of knowledge about Islam, which is one you can divide which one is good and bad in Islam. So the last thing is money management. So money management in pondok pesantren is a must thing, because if your money runs out before your parents send it, it will be a confusing thing. You don't have money and you need to manage the money of your. Okay, next. So how important Islamic knowledge are, according to there is talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslimin. Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Ibnu Majah 224. So, khairukum islaman ahasanikum akhlaqom idha faquhu. The best of you in Islam are those with the best character if they have religious understanding. Musnad Ahmad 9880. So, parents must avoid their children from those bad influence and build religious character to their child. There are many ways to avoid in this case, but one of them is sending to Islamic boarding school. Next. The next is conclusion. So there is a lot of conclusion. Let me read. First is boarding school is one of Indonesia oldest educational system, which became a central for pure religious activity or tafakufi fitin to spread Islam. Boarding schools as Indonesia's indigenous academic institution is very helpful in producing many high quality generation. Boarding school evolved from the more traditional into modern. So there is two kind of boarding school, the Salafi or traditional and the Khalafi or modern. So there are a lot of benefits to study in Islamic boarding school, such as being independent, discipline, avoid juvenile delinquency, building Islamic character, and many more. Because in this era, people has lost their manner to other, being a bad people and a lack of knowledge on their religion. As a new and the next generation of this country, it is really important to study in Islamic boarding school, because there are many good things you can get to become a good and success generation. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.